A lot of people, and including me, have said that 2025 was one of my worst years.
Oh,
Suddenly things just disappeared, or things, important projects, assignments just suddenly went away. A lot of people are talking about the Chinese calendar. Those are maybe the most obvious signals that happen. A lot of things that Nostradamus also predicted are happening in terms of, the war, third Antichrist, the way things are happening. I actually nearly died. In fact, appendix हुआ था and I was in the UK. लेकिन मुझे मालूम है कि UK का healthcare is rubbish. So I waited till I came to Mumbai a week later and my doctor was actually surprised कि how did I survive? According to him, I should have been dead क्योंकि वो पूरा फट गए थे on the flight. I have my mother who's a psychic. She's a medium. She'll wake up in the middle of the night screaming because somebody would be sitting in her room.
पीपल को जल चढ़ाओ, किसी ने बोला बरगद के पेड़ को दूध चढ़ाओ। अब लोगों को कभी कभी ये भी लगता है कि ये तो ब्लैक मैजिक है।
ब्लैक मैजिक द इंटेंट इज टिपिकली नेगेटिव। आप स्टार्ट करेंगे क्योंकि यू वांट समबडी टू सफर या यू वांट समबडी टू फॉल इल या किसी का कुछ नुकसान होना चाहिए। ऑल्सो अंडरस्टैंड कि जो लोग ब्लैक मैजिक करते हो इनवेरिएबली इट रीबाउंड्स ऑन देम आल्सो।
बहुत सारे ऐसे डेथ होते हैं ना जिनकी मिस्ट्री बनी रहती है और हम कभी सॉल्व नहीं कर पाते।
ऐसे भी होता है समटाइम्स दैट वंस द सोल गोज अप वेरी ऑफन इवन इफ पर्सन हैज बीन मर्डर्ड दे विल नॉट टेल यू हिज मर्डर।
हाँ, कल ही पढ़ रही थी, हेमा मालिनी ने शेयर किया था अपना एक्सपीरियंस कि उन्होंने अपने ही घर में शायद हॉन्टेड फील किया था जहाँ उनको ऐसा एकदम चौक जैसा लग रहा था।
जैसे कि हेमा मालिनी जी के साथ हुआ था, मेरे साथ भी वैसे हुआ।
हाँ?
yes.
ताज लैंडसन के अपोजिट में एक होटल है, आई डोंट रिमेंबर द नेम, वहाँ भी हॉन्टेड, वहाँ कोई नहीं जाता है।
मेन ताज इज आल्सो हॉन्टेड ना, 26/11 के बाद तो आई एम श्योर देयर इज मोर हैपनिंग ओवर देयर। ताज के स्टाफ के some of them know certain wings and certain areas where they don't go beyond a certain point.
2025 जा चुका है और अब हम आ चुके हैं 2026 में एंड वी हैव विद अस मिस शर्मिला जी जो आज बहुत सारी बातें करने वाली एंड शी इज सो टैलेंटेड दैट आई कांट टेल यू, आई कांट एक्सप्लेन, सो लेट्स टॉक टू हर एंड गेट सम इनसाइड इन्फो अबाउट 2026. हेलो शर्मिला जी, हाउ आर यू डूइंग?
Hi Chetna, I'm good and thank you for being here and thank you for getting me on your show.
Thank you so much. You gave me some time to speak and talk and discuss. So, yes, how was 25 for you?
Same as it was for you. I think same as it was for a lot of people out here. You must have felt in 2025 that there were a lot of changes that was happening. A lot of things that you wanted did not happen. A lot of people that you knew or a lot of situations that were good, वो तो मतलब ऐसे गायब हो गए या चले गए. But that was bound to happen because 2025 जो था, as especially according to Chinese astrology, was the year of the snake. And the year of the snake means, जैसे कि आप जानते हैं कि the snake sheds its skin. So
Yeah.
basically, we were shedding everything that does not work for us, which was not supposed to be there, and which is basically in preparation for who we are actually supposed to be. अभी क्या होता है कि a lot of us are, we define ourselves by our work, कि I'm a mother of so and so, yeah, I work in so and so, and we have a lot of external labels that define us. But none of us really go into the core of who we are. And 2025 was supposed to really take you beyond all those labels, take you beyond everything that does not work for you, and bring you closer to who you truly are meant to be.
Okay.
So you would have seen कि a lot of people, and including me, I've said that 2025 was one of my worst years.
Oh.
And yes, because things just suddenly things just disappeared, or things, important projects, assignments just suddenly went away. But there was always a reason, and it probably is ending now in 2026 January. 2026 February 15th onwards, it becomes the year of the horse, the year of the red horse.
Okay.
And the year of the red horse is about success, dynamism, things happening fast. So suddenly you'll see a lot of changes. The transformation that started in 2025 is now going to happen in 2026.
Okay.
So be prepared for a lot of new things in your life, a lot of good things in your life, but also be prepared that it's going to come to you at full speed. So
Okay.
it's a good year. It's
Okay.
definitely a good year than 2025 was.
25 was painful for me. Like,
Yes. I know. Same here.
so I can relate with you very well.
Painful for a lot of people.
Yeah, actually. But I took it as a great learning, actually.
That is good. That's what it was meant to do. It's supposed to teach us lessons.
Tell me something about that. You mentioned the Chinese calendar. Being an Indian, why do you trust on Chinese calendar, not on like or Panchang? Is there any difference? Like,
So, I'm sure the Panchang has its own version of things, and if you look at different philosophies, each one has their own interpretations of the year. But I like the Chinese calendar because, there's a certain sense of, I would say, certain sense of truth to it, maybe because I relate to it, because it's pretty much been close to, when I followed it, it's pretty much been close to what has worked for me. Having said that, to each his own.
Okay.
A lot of people are talking about the Chinese calendar. Those are maybe the most obvious signals that happen. But definitely Panchang, the astrological planets, a lot of things will change. In fact, very good you asked that question, because when I was talking about this, and I was talking about this more from, about February 2026, more from an intuitive level. I had not even gone into the whole Chinese astrology bit. And my astrology teacher was also talking about February being a year of February onwards being a year of fast change and fast things happening. So there are definitely, she's following Vedic astrology, which I've also studied, and I was just talking about this. So there are definitely correlations between all of the philosophies that are there, and there will be minor differences also.
Okay. People still talk about Baba Venga.
Hmm.
So do you also believe and do you also see that Baba Venga ने क्या क्या बोला था? It's happening and people saying कि that वो जो उन्होंने बोला था ना वो हो रहा है.
Yeah, I don't really follow Baba Venga. I've
Okay.
heard of her. When she comes up on paper, but no, I don't really follow. But it's amazing that the things she predicts, a lot of things that Nostradamus also predicted are happening in terms of, the wars, the third Antichrist, the way things are happening. So I don't really, I don't go. I mean, her predictions are right, but I don't really follow her as such.
Okay. So 25 was year of snake and as you mentioned the
26 is the year of the red horse.
Red horse.
Yeah.
So और कितने ऐसी चीजें हैं रेप्टाइल्स एनिमल्स जिनको हम फॉलो करते हैं ऐसे ईयर्स चेंज होते हैं आई एम वेरी क्यूरियस टू नो दैट बिकॉज ये तो मुझे पता ही नहीं था
I think पहले 2026 को जाने दीजिए. Let's see how 2026 goes. Then we'll look at the rest of the reptiles.
Okay.
Because I literally take it year by year, because you never know. Things can keep changing even yearly.
But is there any number like we follow 9 planet तो उनमें भी numbers होते हैं या क्या होते हैं?
That is a completely separate thing. That is also astrologically, because if you see if your Vedic charts, astrologically we have 12 houses. 12 houses all depends on, the conjunction of planets कि कौन से घर में कौन से भाव में कौन से planets हैं, फिर उनका interactions क्या होता है, what is the drishti one planet has on you. It's a very complicated and a very layered process. So,
and we need a lot of time, days, I think month to understand that.
I think out of all the modalities I've done, astrology has been the most toughest. Because that is an actual science, that actually goes by planetary motions and the degrees. So that is a very deep level, granular thing to follow.
Okay.
But some of it is true, some of it is not true. I also think, a lot of things keep changing, like, planetary changes, regular influences, your own karma. I honestly find it very difficult to pinpoint one particular thing, because there are so many influences that are happening. Like even with tarot, we have major life cards which would be there, but then we have the minor arcana. So if I give you a tarot reading today, 3 months down the line, because of energy changes, karmic, whatever it is, you might get a different reading 3 months down the line. So while it is good, I always feel that while it is good to have faith in a certain thing, don't bank on it completely. There is also the human mind and the human will and the human determination, which is much stronger than anything else. And this was actually told to me very interestingly by somebody who sells crystals.
Okay.
And I had gone to his shop, and I won't take his name, but he's a very known crystal dealer in Mumbai. And I had gone to his shop, and we were talking about crystals, and he just looked at me and he said, don't be dependent on this. Take what you want, but don't be dependent on it, because at the end of the day, you have to walk the middle path. And I think that was the best advice he gave. That there's a little bit of the other world and there's a little bit of this world, and just walk the middle path. Don't be too dependent on one thing or the other. And that makes sense, actually.
So when I walked and you told me something very interesting and it was so correct. you know. I don't want to talk about it on camera, but yeah, I agree that it was like you were so right, and थोड़ा मैं इमोशनल भी हो गई थी, अगर आपने देखा होगा तो अगर आपके बारे में जानना चाहें तो कौन कौन सी नॉलेज आपके अंदर है, थोड़ा अपने ऑडियंस के लिए, सो दे कैन कनेक्ट टू यू एंड यू नो गेट देयर प्रेडिक्शंस एंड एवरीथिंग.
So, देखिए, see, when I started my whole journey in spirituality, and I'm actually from an advertising and media background and
Yes.
content background,
हाँ.
and about few years back, I had a near-death experience, and I actually nearly died. In fact, appendix हुआ था, and I was in the UK. लेकिन मुझे मालूम है कि UK का healthcare is rubbish. So I waited till I came to Mumbai a week later, and my doctor was actually surprised कि how did I survive, because according to him I should have been dead क्योंकि वो पूरा फट गए थे on the flight. So within landing in Mumbai, in 48 hours I was on the emergency table, and that's how my journey started. So that time, I think I started my whole process with automatic writing. So my whole family is actually psychic. I have my mother who's a psychic. She's a medium, but she never really realized that she was a medium. मतलब बचपन से I've been used to these kind of instances in the house where she'll wake up in the middle of the night screaming because somebody would be sitting in her room. Yeah, and she would wake up screaming, and then I would ask her, say, "Mama, क्या हुआ?" And she'd say, "Okay, so and so, this young girl is sitting here wearing a blue dress, whatever." And I said, "Okay, is the girl there or gone?" She said, "नहीं, अभी चली गई." But it became such a regular occurrence that we didn't really pay much attention to it. तभी we didn't know कि ये सब चीज़ क्या है. So that has always been in me since my 20s. I've always been getting downloads. I've always been having one voice that talks to me, and that voice will tell me things, and I don't know who the person is, but I know that he tells me things in the same tonality. And when I meet people, he will tell me things like, okay, this one is going through this. Yeah, this is, you must ask this person this question. So that has always been with me. I started my journey with automatic writing, which is essentially speaking to deceased souls. And from there onwards, I've done a lot of modalities. So I'm an automatic writer. I'm also a spirit guide communicator, wherein I speak to people's spirit guides to get messages from them, especially people who are going through certain issues or problems and need clarity or need certain emotional issues to be resolved. I'm also an animal communicator. Yes, I do tarot, and I've studied astrology, and I will be doing Akashic records also very soon, because I feel that there is some kind of a connection with all this. And when I do a particular modality, I actually use a whole mix of modalities and not just one particular thing.
Wow. So you completely shifted your career from advertising content to this.
It's just happened very organically.
Wow.
It's something, I think this is what gives me the greatest joy. This is what gives me the greatest satisfaction, to actually heal someone, to see them resolve, their issues. It's a satisfaction which I think no job has actually ever given me.
So no regret.
Not at all. Not at all. Not at all. No regrets at all.
पर कभी आपने इसको एक बिजनेस के तौर पे देखा कि I'm getting money, or people are focusing on healing and everything, so let's like it was a seva kind of thing or business? What was that?
So I initially didn't start off it as a business. I still don't think of it as a business. फिर one of my gurus told me something very valuable. She said that if you don't charge for people, वो value नहीं रहती है.
ये तो सही है.
ऐसे आएंगे लोग, they will not take you seriously. And she said you have to charge, and you have to charge well, because at the end of the day, what you're also doing is a healing service. I mean, now if you go to a doctor is anyway going to charge you.
Correct.
For me, what is most important is the intent, and the intent is that the person who comes to me should leave feeling satisfied, should leave feeling healed, should leave finding the answers that they were looking for. And that is the intent I start with. And that intent, yes, has a cost. But I have not started, and I will not start with the intent saying, अच्छा आजकल लोग बहुत healers के पास जाते हैं, it's a very good business, चलो I will get into it. I will never approach it from a business point of view. But I will approach it from a healing point of view. As everybody else, I also want to make money क्योंकि घर तो चलानी है. We all have needs and aspirations. But it's not a business to me. It's a profession.
So nice. It's looking on your face, the glow and everything,
Thank you.
tell me one thing. People often like mistake कुछ होते हैं ना जो आप लोग टिप्स देते हैं कि ये करो तो इससे बेटर होगा. लेट्स से कि जस्ट एग्जांपल कि पीपल को जल चढ़ाओ, किसी ने बोला बरगद के पेड़ को दूध चढ़ाओ. अब लोगों को कभी कभी ये भी लगता है कि ये तो ब्लैक मैजिक है. ये कैसे दूर किया जाए कि इट्स नॉट अ ब्लैक मैजिक, ये कुछ और है.
सो अभी ये जो आपने कहा कि बरगद का पेड़ को some people tie a thread around it, some people दूध चढ़ाते हैं, some people whatever. A lot of these are written in our shastras, a lot of these are written in our rituals. When I studied astrology also, I was told कि certain remedies जो है include all this. Black magic is a very different scene altogether. Black magic में जो है the intent is very different. इसमें the intent is positive कि you're doing something क्योंकि आपको कुछ अच्छा चाहिए. You want a situation to change for the better. With black magic the intent is typically negative. कि आप start करेंगे क्योंकि you want somebody to suffer या you want somebody to fall ill या किसी का कुछ नुकसान होना चाहिए. And there are different practitioners for black magic and the way they do things are very different, but also understand कि जो लोग black magic करते हो invariably it rebounds on them also. So it is not कि you are putting suffering on somebody else, you will also have to pay that cost.
मम्मा वाली प्रॉब्लम थी जो रात में उन्हें दिखता था कि कोई ब्लू फ्रॉक में बैठा हुआ है, वो प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व हुई?
अभी तो सॉल्व हुए लेकिन अभी मम्मी की उम्र भी हो गई है और अभी वो स्पिरिट सोचते होंगे अभी मम्मी रिटायर हो गए, चलो बेटी के पास जाते हैं. अभी बेटी ने स्टार्ट किया है तो बेटी के पास जाके बैठते हैं, बात करते हैं क्योंकि कभी कभी ऐसा होता है आई कैन फील सर्टन प्रेजेंसेस इन अ रूम, आई फील सर्टन पीपल ट्राइंग टू टॉक टू मी. कभी कभी रात को आई बी इन डीप स्लीप एंड देन आई हियर ऐसा कि शर्मिला शर्मिला, तो मैं एकदम से उठ जाती हूँ, देखती हूँ कि कोई नहीं एक्चुअली मेकिंग मी अप. सो these things are bound to happen. As a medium क्या होता है कि you will always face something like this. There's always somebody trying to connect with you. तो मैं क्या करती हूँ कि I have a set of rituals and practices that I do to keep my channels closed. क्योंकि अगर if I keep it open all the time तो एक line लग जाएगी of people who want to talk. क्योंकि everyone wants to communicate something to the loved ones या just something that they need to message to pass on. तो होते रहते हैं. मम्मी का भी तो थोड़ा वो बंद हो गया है, which is good.
अच्छा, ये जो ड्रीम्स होते हैं, I'll tell you my experience. If I'll sleep, keeping my hand here now, कुछ तो मुझे डरावने सपने आएंगे. 100% आएंगे and इतने डरावने रहेंगे कि मैं उठ जाऊंगी. Some haunted, भूत कुछ भी रहेगा. So और कभी लोग शेयर करते हैं कि कभी मैं पहाड़ियों से गिरता हूँ, कभी कोई काटने दौड़ता है, कोई मारने दौड़ता है. ये एग्जैक्टली क्या होता है?
Some of it is subconscious, some of it is just dreams, some of it is messages that the other world is trying to send to you. इसलिए कहते हैं कि keep a journal of your dreams because when you see फिर आप देख सकते हैं कि थोड़ा patterns हैं. Then you will know from those patterns कि is somebody actually trying to send you a message. Yes, some of it you should just, it could just be, कभी कभी क्या होता है we watch something, subconscious में रहता है और फिर when you're sleeping that can just come into your mind. So
there's nothing like particular.
No, there's nothing particular unless some of it is okay. So with dreams, sometimes I have gotten dreams where I have gotten messages about certain people, and when I've actually gone and spoken to them, it has actually turned out to be true.
Okay.
But then I know that I can differentiate between those dreams because in those dreams the spirit guides that they're giving me those messages, and some of them are just dreams. Okay. Some of them like you are also dreams that I can't understand of. मुझे भी ऐसे डरावने सपने आते हैं. हाँ, zombies are chasing me and I'm running and I can't run. या कोई भूत है.
You're falling for some like कि कहीं से गिर रहे हो.
हाँ, और ये तो I'm hiding in my room क्योंकि बाहर कोई है and all that. And I do also wake up scared, but then I don't really pay much attention to it.
ये पूर्व जन्म सच में होता है?
Past life, yes. Past life है. I've studied past life regression. I have gone into my past lives. I have seen the connections happening with this life. I personally believe it is there. Wow. And, I'm just started my past life regression practice, but yes, it is definitely there. Because जब I went to my past lives, मैंने देखा कि जो patterns, जो certain personality traits उनमें थे, were actually there even now. And जब मैंने Google किया, like certain instances happened, certain historical instances that I was there in, and when I actually Googled it, those instances were actually had happened, and
wow.
Things I went through actually took place. So, and there was no way I knew about these things, like something that happened on a Polynesian island, तो मुझे कैसा पता चलेगा? But it was actually that had happened. So I think I believe in
So
past
you
life.
see everything, like you whatever you want to see, or some indication, some.
So I've always had this question कि ये पुनर्जन्म जो करते हैं या
हाँ.
past life जो करते हैं, is it really कि हम लोग past life देख रहे हैं या is it our imagination?
हाँ.
But then the teacher, Dr. Newton, who taught me, very rightly said, he said कि अगर ये आपका imagination है तो why will you always see yourself in a bad situation? Why will you see yourself undergoing some sort of agony or pain or hurt
हाँ.
or not an unhappy situation? You will always think of yourself as, say, Cleopatra, or you will think of yourself flooded with money, or you will think of yourself as someone very happy. So the reason past life is then the reason we do past life regression therapy is basically there are certain patterns you might feel or certain illnesses you have, and when you go for medical examinations it doesn't show up on any of your records, but your soul is actually carrying it for different past lives, and past life regression is one way to actually heal it. Like there have been cases where people with cancer have also been healed with past life because it's actually something that's been carried by the soul. So I definitely strongly believe in past life. I believe in most things actually.
I would like to know more on cancer because people are suffering, you know. अभी तो ऐसा लगता है ना कि आप कुछ दिन बाद एक केस सुन ही लेते हो, और जो कैंसर होता है वो सीधा या तो थर्ड स्टेज या तो फोर्थ स्टेज,
Correct.
है ना. सो इज इट रियली द कैरी फॉरवर्ड हो रहा है, क्या हो रहा है? एंड द केसेस यू कि अरे ये तो शराब भी नहीं पीता था, सिगरेट भी नहीं पीता था, कोई बैड हैबिट्स नहीं थी, इज डूइंग ऑल एक्सरसाइजेस ऑन डेली बेसिस, स्टिल ही गॉट द कैंसर.
Very difficult to answer that question because it's a medical thing. It could be a question of it being carried on by the soul. It can be an actual medical problem. It could be also sometimes, pesticides in foods or things we're exposed to. Aajkal to you know how it is.
Multiple
So,
things.
yeah, so it's very difficult to say unless one goes to proper diagnostics.
Okay.
But there has been cases of illnesses being carried across through past life.
ओके, लेट्स से हम पास्ट लाइफ को रीड करते हैं, वी नो व्हाट हैपेंड एग्जैक्टली, और हम पेन की अगर बात करें, इसको अगर लीगल कर दिया जाए तो बहुत सारे केसेस सॉल्व हो जाएंगे.
नहीं,
नहीं?
because there's no scientific evidence. How will you prove it? If you want to take something to court, you need to have scientific evidence or some kind of proof. There is no tangible proof. You will only have to go by what somebody is saying. So cases may be solved, but proof क्या है? How, on what basis will you solve it? So it's a very difficult topic to.
But do you feel frustrated sometimes? Okay, I know this, but still I can't prove this.
Not really,
No?
because it's, see, proof is what? I mean, you are asking me about a legal thing, but to me, as long as the person who's in front of me or my clients, as long as they believe what is happening and they find the benefits, to me that is proof enough. It's not about going and fighting for it in the bigger world or saying कि make it legal. That
ये बहुत सारे ऐसे डेथ होते हैं ना जिनकी मिस्ट्री बनी रहती है और हम कभी सॉल्व नहीं कर पाते. बहुत सारे ऐसी चीजें होते हैं. इन दैट केसेस आई वाज जस्ट थिंकिंग, आई वाज रीडिंग अबाउट यू एंड आई वाज थिंकिंग कि काश ऐसा होता तो बहुत सारे अनसॉल्व्ड केस सॉल्व हो जाते थे.
वेरी ट्रू. लेकिन ऐसे भी होता है कि दैट कुड हैव बीन सॉल्व विद ऑटोमेटिक राइटिंग, बट ऐसे भी होता है समटाइम्स दैट वंस द सोल गोज अप, very often even if a person has been murdered, they will not tell you who's murdered them.
हाँ.
Yeah.
And any particular reason?
So when they go up, they reach a certain level of forgiveness, they reach a certain stage. So they will not say, they're very quiet, they won't tell you. They might tell you what has happened, but किसने किया, they might not tell you.
Now there are two things, okay, कि हम बोलते हैं कि आत्मा अमर है, कपड़ों की तरह शरीर बदलती है, अगर मैं गीता के हिसाब से जाऊं तो.
Correct.
फिर हम ये भी बोलते हैं कि आत्मा अगर तो जो होता है वो सही होता है, जिसकी डेथ जैसे लिखी रहती है वैसे होती है, यू कांट कंट्रोल. ओके, द सेकंड पॉइंट इज कि आत्मा भटकती है, अगर उसकी डेथ नेचुरल नहीं हुई, आत्महत्या हुई, किसी ने मर्डर किया या कुछ किया, तो दोनों में आपको लगता है कि दोनों ही अलग हैं ऐसे, और कैसे इसको समझा कैसे जाए?
तो ऐसे है कि आफ्टर somebody's death, so Atma does have a journey that it goes through. Okay, it has a journey. It has to go through basically 7 levels up there,
Hmm.
and then there is a whole different period. Ki the Atma goes up to the once after a certain time as it travels, it reaches a resting place. There's a whole process out there. There's a whole life between life process that happens out there. But if you're asking about bhatakti hue Atma, it's not necessarily that people who have only had कि unnatural death हुआ है तो वो आत्मा भटकते हुए है. I've had actually तो when we studied automatic writing and as per our learnings we were
हाँ.
told कि reincarnation जो होती है happens after 25 years. Now if you see some other cultures they will say कि नहीं reincarnation तो 500 साल के बाद होती है. Some say after 1,000 years reincarnation होती है.
Okay.
So there are various things to it. So the soul might just sometimes be here because it wants to communicate with someone. In one of my auto writing sessions, there was a soul that was on earth. She was basically, when she passed away, she died leaving 2 very small children.
अच्छा.
And she could not really talk to them, and she wanted to communicate with the children.
Okay.
So she was actually on earth for 45 years, or about 35 years, 35
Death
to
के
40 years.
बाद?
Death ke baad, her soul was on earth for that long, till I connected her with her children and she spoke to them. And then we asked her to go and we tried to release her.
Wow.
We asked her to go. So it's not only unnatural death, sometimes it's people they love, sometimes they're just around. These are बहुत सारे reasons होते हैं. They're not to be scared of. I mean, I'll tell you honestly, अभी यहाँ पे भी ना, there might be a lot of souls around us also.
हाँ.
But they're just there, they're not harmful.
Good
So
souls.
it's not, I mean, you will know, आपको पता चलेगा if the soul is negative, because you will see things happening in your house कि energy change हो जाती है, या झगड़े suddenly start होते हैं, या रात को कुछ आवाजें आती है. आपको पता चलेगा अगर if it's a negative soul.
हाँ.
As such, they are just there.
हम्म. आप एनिमल से भी कम्युनिकेट करती हैं. आजकल तो बहुत सुप्रीम कोर्ट तक मैटर चला गया है. सुप्रीम कोर्ट का मैं कहीं पढ़ रही थी कि इतने अपील्स तो इंसानों के लिए भी नहीं आते जितना डॉग्स के लिए आया है. हाउ डू यू सी दैट? क्या चल रहा है डॉग्स की लाइफ में?
I think actually the most important thing is that we need to treat animals like animals, and that is something which any animal communicator will tell you. And I'm sure a lot of dog owners out there will hate me क्योंकि वो कहते हैं कि oh, I'm a dog mom, I'm a dog dad, and this is my बच्चा. You should never actually do that, because animals actually उनके जो consciousness है, it's a higher consciousness than humans. Secondly, animals want to be treated like animals. अगर उनको human बनना था तो they would have taken life as a human. They wouldn't have taken life, because the soul decides. Once we die, the soul actually decides what they want to do. So अगर they wanted to be human, they would have been born as humans. They wouldn't have been born as animals. Maybe लोगों ने animal communicator के साथ they have to talk to the animals to ask the animals कि क्या करें. What is it that you want? अभी lot of people सोचते हैं कि अरे वो बेचारा कुत्ता रेस्क्यू डॉग है, बाहर है, चलो उसको घर लेके आते हैं, या बिल्ली को घर लेके आते हैं. बट कभी कभी that बिल्ली और कुत्ता does not want to be domesticated. They want to
फ्रीडम चाहिए
उनको freedom चाहिए. They like it, what they want. And इसलिए आप देखेंगे कि कभी कभी उनको लेके आते हैं तो भाग जाते हैं, या some animals leave. So I think you just need to maybe talk to the animals and ask the animals what they want. क्या होता है कि all humans try to humanify the animals. And that is actually completely against the grain of the animals.
What is the technique of communication? How do you do that? It's very interesting that you're talking
telepathy.
Achha.
It's purely telepathy, and everyone has telepathy. Even you will have telepathy. It's just something that you need to sit, focus, develop. Everyone.
Sometimes we feel like, मेरे घर पे भी पेट था, मैंने खुद रखा था जब मैं यूपी में रहा करते थे, and he was very much attached with me. मतलब हमारे साथ खेलना कूदना, तो we get to know कि अच्छा वो क्या चाहता है, उसको भूख कब लगी है. तो ये हम तब समझ पाते हैं जब हम उसके साथ बहुत रहते हैं. We are attached. But किसी suppose कोई आपको स्ट्रीट पे मिलता है, कोई पेट, तो you can talk to?
I can talk to them. Yes.
So
but the animal should want to talk to me.
So उनकी भी इच्छा होनी चाहिए.
Sometimes they won't want to talk, but sometimes they'll talk. So they're okay. It depends on that. But मैं ज़्यादातर I will not talk to an animal unless somebody asks me to, because it is their privacy, their mind. But कभी-कभी पता चलता है if an animal wants to talk, and then I talk to them. Like if I go to my friend's house, और वो एनिमल थोड़ा वो एक लुक है, देन यू नो कि दे वांट टू कम्युनिकेट
या
समथिंग।
समटाइम दे लुक सो क्यूट, मतलब बच्चे की तरह। मैं शिवा के घर गई थी एंड आई वाज फीलिंग लाइक सब आ गए थे, और ऐसे होता है ना छोटा बच्चा गोद में ले लो। आई डिड दैट, मैं उतना थोड़ा अवॉइड करती हूँ,
हाँ,
बट फिर भी मेरे से रहा नहीं गया, ऐसे गोद में उठा के मेरे गोद में बैठा हुआ था। 6-7 पपीज थे एंड दे वर लाइक ए फुल ऑन, होता है कि वो बच्चे जैसे घूमते रहते हैं ना, टच करते रहते हैं, खेलते
दे वर
रहते
ऑल अराउंड यू।
हैं। या एंड
तो आपके वाइब्रेशंस बहुत अच्छे हैं, नहीं तो दे वोंट हैव कम टू यू। एनिमल सेंस, दे हैव अ गुड सेंस अबाउट कि लोग कौन है, किसके पास जाए, हु विल किक देम, हु विल
हाँ
नॉट
वो
किक
तो
देम। कहते हैं ना कि इफ एनिमल्स एंड चिल्ड्रन
हाँ।
naturally are attracted to you, then your vibrations are very good.
या
You
चिल्ड्रन
will,
के बारे में, यस, दे लाइक दे
yeah,
लव मी, आई आल्सो लव
you will
किड्स।
see जब भी आप रास्ते पे भी जाते हैं तो आई एम श्योर डॉग्स विल कम
थोड़ा
टुवर्ड्स
आते
यू,
हैं, हाँ
या
थोड़ा आते
कैट्स विल।
हैं।
अभी आपने देखा होगा कि व्हेन यू वॉक ऑन द रोड, एनिमल्स आर नेचुरली अट्रैक्टेड टू यू।
या समटाइम आई सी।
डॉग्स ऐसे आते होंगे, अगर आप ऐसे बैठी हो तो, और बाहर कहीं और एक बिल्ली है तो बिल्ली विल कम एंड ब्रश herself against you,
हाँ
and
हाँ हाँ,
you are
दिल
vibrationally very high.
ऐसे देख के जाएंगे, आई कांटेक्ट करके ही जाते हैं।
आएंगे, पास में भी आएंगे,
हाँ
शायद ऐसे ब्रश करके जाएंगे जस्ट टू चेक कि अच्छा ये लात ना मारे मुझे।
हाँ
तो
हाँ हाँ।
बट तो आपके वाइब्रेशंस आर वेरी गुड। वो कहते हैं ना कि एनिमल्स एंड चिल्ड्रन आर द प्योरेस्ट फॉर्म, and if they are attracted to you, your vibrationally you're very good. So it's a good thing that the dogs come to you and the children also come to you. So you're
तो
high.
ये जो एनिमल्स का जो जन्म होता है, ये क्या होता है? ये कर्मों का फल होता है कि आप जानवर के रूप में जन्म लिए हो? ये क्या होता है एग्जैक्टली?
तो सोल जो है ना हैज
हाँ।
बीन थ्रू एवरी स्टेज। इनफैक्ट कहते हैं कि हमारे जन्म से पहले वी हैव टेकन 6.5 लाख lives एज एनिमल्स, प्लांट्स और मिनरल्स, देन वी बिकम ह्यूमन।
ब्लेस्ड काइंड, वेयर वी हैव ब्रेन, स्पीच एंड
Yeah, but what are we doing with it? So it's we've all been through various life forms. Yeah.
ओके ओके। टेल मी अबाउट हॉन्टेड प्लेसेस, डू
Oh,
यू
my favorite
बिलीव
topic.
दैट? या और रिसेंटली मैं अभी कल ही पढ़ रही थी, हेमा मालिनी ने शेयर किया था अपना एक्सपीरियंस कि उन्होंने अपने ही घर में शायद हॉन्टेड फील किया था, जहाँ उनको ऐसा एकदम चौक जैसा लग रहा था। तो मैंने लोगों ने बहुत ज़्यादा एक्सपीरियंस किया है तो वो शेयर भी करते हैं, बट योर एक्सपीरियंस क्या रहा है एंड हाउ डू यू सी दैट?
Yes, there are haunted places.
हाँ
और जैसे कि हेमा मालिनी जी के साथ हुआ था, मेरे साथ भी ऐसे हुआ था।
हाँ
Yes.
ओके
I woke up one night because I couldn't breathe, and I saw this dark figure sitting on top of me और वैसे गले दबा रही थी मुझे। It was a figure with I couldn't make out कि कौन थी, लेकिन she had full black hair और it was covering her face. But I was feeling choked, and then I immediately took my God's name और फिर वो चली गई, लेकिन मैं डर गई and I couldn't sleep. और ये होता है बिकॉज नॉट सो देर इज अ कॉन्सेप्ट कॉल्ड एस्ट्रल ट्रैवलिंग। तो कभी कभी ऐसा है कि येस, सम ऑफ देम कुड बी स्पिरिट्स, कुड बी नेगेटिव एनर्जीज व्हिच आर अटैकिंग यू, व्हिच वी कॉल साइकिक अटैक्स। समटाइम्स अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल डू एस्ट्रल ट्रैवलिंग। तो एस्ट्रल ट्रैवलिंग का मतलब है कि योर मतलब मैं सो रही हूँ बट आई मैनेज टू गेट आउट ऑफ माई बॉडी एंड ट्रैवल, एंड ये हो सकता है बिकॉज अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल प्रैक्टिस इट।
आई हैव एक्सपीरियंस दिस, आई टेल यू ऑफ द रिकॉर्ड।
Huh. So it could be an astral traveler who's negative, who's also doing it, you know. So I do believe in haunted places. I've personally had experiences with haunted places, especially heritage hotels का तो बहुत ही है, and even in certain houses. मतलब मैं I'm very energy sensitive. तो जब भी मैं एक जगह पे जाती मुझे पता चलता है कि ये जगह अच्छी है या कुछ है, या एक एनर्जी हेवी सी होती है। So it haunted places do exist.
बहुत सारे मुंबई में होटल्स हैं, लाइक मुकेश मिल का हमने नाम बहुत सुना है हॉन्टेड
Yes.
के लिए। देन ताज लैंडसन के अपोजिट में एक होटल है, आई डोंट रिमेम्बर द नेम, वहाँ भी हॉन्टेड, वहाँ कोई नहीं जाता है।
Main Taj is also haunted, ना? और
Yeah,
अभी
people talk
हाँ,
about
और अभी 26/11 के बाद तो I'm sure there is more happening over there.
हाँ,
अब जब वो बॉम्ब ब्लास्ट हुआ था, I'm sure there is a lot more
तो
happening
इट वाज
there.
बिफोर दैट आल्सो 26/11?
Before that also, because I know people who worked there, and there मतलब ताज के staff के some of them know certain wings and certain areas where they don't go beyond a certain point.
Is it?
Yeah.
Before
That's what they-
26/11?
Before 26/11 also.
Okay, because I
Taj
have
will
heard
kill me
that.
for saying this, but
नो इट्स ऑल ओवर आई हैव सीन आल्सो कि 26/11 के बाद जो एक जो मेन था उसको लॉक करके रखा था उधर किसी को एंट्री नहीं देते थे फॉर सम टाइम
But that could be other reasons. It might have been, in the shooting, it might have been destroyed or something like that. But most hotels, most places will have some haunting. Haunting is what? Haunting is when it bothers you.
या
वैसा देखा जाए तो they are always there. But haunting जब होती है कि when it scares you या you feel that the intention is not right. Like demonic invasions होते हैं. तभी तो you will know because you will see claw marks on the wall, you will see things falling down, आपका भगवान का घर गिर जाएगा.
हाँ.
There are all these things that happen. So that's when we call it haunting.
Okay.
Otherwise, they're all around.
So I feel same thing in washrooms. होटल्स के वॉशरूम में जब मैं जाती हूँ मैं अपना एक्सपीरियंस बता रही हूँ आई डोंट फील लाइक वेरी सिक्योर और समथिंग आई फील नेगेटिव आई कैन से दैट सो इज इट लाइक और कोई भी वॉशरूम में आप सुनते हो ना अकेले नहीं जाना चाहता है ऐसे किसी बड़े वॉशरूम में किसी होटल के वॉशरूम में बोलेगा अरे भाई साथ चलो बिकॉज डर लगता है इज इट लाइक दैट एरिया
एक्चुअली you're the second person who gets scared of washrooms. तो मेरे एक फ्रेंड है
हाँ.
तो वो क्या करते हैं और वो बहुत ट्रैवल करते हैं तो वो हाउ शी फिगर्स आउट एवरीथिंग एंड शी हैड टोल्ड मी दिस व्हिच आई आल्सो डू नाउ. फर्स्ट थिंग अगर वो किसी होटल में जाए या किसी एयरबीएनबी में जाती है फर्स्ट थिंग वो जाके वॉशरूम में चेक करते हैं and if she feels की energy wrong है she immediately leaves and I have also done that and I felt that. So washrooms actually one place where energies का and I felt it in people's houses also.
हाँ.
कि energies trapped होते हैं क्योंकि washrooms are dark, there's not much ventilation, there's not much light, there's not much openings as such.
Yeah.
So those are the places generally when energies tend to get heavy and this can happen.
और अभी तो जो ये जो हमने नया सिस्टम लगा दिया कि जब आप वॉक करोगे तभी लाइट्स ऑन होंगे नहीं तो पूरा अंधेरा ही रहता है
तो save energy. सोच तो और भी डर लगता है इससे ऑन किया.
हाँ बट माय सेंसेस आर लाइक राइट नो वॉशरूम सिर्फ मुझे नहीं लगता है.
नहीं वॉशरूम्स का है
ओके
मोस्टली है बट वन ऑफ द थिंग्स आई वुड से कि आप उसको ज्यादा ध्यान मत देना. क्या है लॉट ऑफ दीस स्पिरिट्स एंड ऑल आर आल्सो वेरी अटेंशन सीकिंग. हाँ मतलब उनका क्या है डराएंगे आपको तो इट्स प्ले फॉर देम नो आल्सो. ध्यान मत देना.
आई प्रे
जस्ट प्रे टेक योर गॉड्स नेम
दैट्स ऑल.
डोंट गिव इट अटेंशन.
हाँ
अभी कभी मैं होटल्स में स्पेशली हेरिटेज होटल्स में आई एम स्लीपिंग एट नाइट एंड आई सडनली हियर पाइप में आवाज आ रही है कोई ऐसा नॉक कर रहा है एंड जो मेरे साथ में मेरी फ्रेंड्स हो रहे हैं उसको कुछ
नहीं होगा उसको
तो देन आई जस्ट से आई एम सॉरी आई एम वेरी टायर्ड राइट नाउ कैन यू प्लीज स्टॉप डिस्टर्बिंग मी.
अच्छा.
और फिर वो बंद हो जाती है.
ओके
सो attention नहीं देने का डोंट गिव देम टू मच इंपॉर्टेंस इट जस्ट ऑटोमेटिकली.
इज देयर एनीथिंग दैट दिस जो भी स्पिरिट्स होते हैं वो कुछ पर्टिकुलर लोगों को ही अट्रैक्ट या अटेंशन लेने की कोशिश करते हैं.
nothing like that. I mean nothing like that.
Is there any particular राशि?
No, I don't think
Nothing
so.
like that.
No, I don't think so. No.
Okay.
It's just on the place. It's just on what is your mindset. Weaker personalities typically are targets.
Okay.
Stronger personalities they will tend to stay away because you will fight back.
Okay. So attention seekers वो किससे होते हैं?
Sorry?
Attention seekers अगर मैं बोलूँ spirits वो लोग किससे होते हैं?
मतलब they're just there for fun ना.
ऐसे ही.
Maybe they want to communicate a message. अभी मेरे साथ तो ये हमेशा होता है. Because I'm a medium, so उनको कुछ message तो देना ही पड़ता है. They want to. I've had sometimes, जब भी sometimes if my channels are open, I get messages from people. Then I have to tell them कि I'm sorry, I cannot talk to you. आप जाइए और आपके family member को लेके आइए मुझे contact करने के लिए. Because we are not allowed to just directly communicate with the soul. उनको बताना चाहिए कि आप अपना family member को या relative या friend जो भी है उनको लेके आए क्योंकि actually we feel ना कि it is humans here who want to communicate with people up there, but actually ulta hai. It is the soul who wants to communicate.
Okay.
But if I sit to listen, अभी सबको मैं बात करने बैठूं तो फिर मेरा दिन उसमें जाएगी. So it's very important and our teachers have told us very strictly कि कभी उनसे directly बात मत करना. Get the human involved. Tell them to send the human to you. और ऐसे भी हुआ है.
अच्छा.
I've walked into a room, I've met people ऐसे बात करते हुए अच्छा मैं automatic writer हूँ अरे आप automatic writer हो अरे we have just been looking out for one we want to connect with so and so they make those connections. The soul will make that connection with
Now please explain what is automatic writer.
Yeah, that actually आप अच्छा हुआ कि आपने पूछा, क्योंकि lot of people सोचते हैं कि मैंने से ऑटोमेटिक राइटिंग या ऑटो राइटर, वो सोचते हैं कि मैं गाड़ी और ऑटो कार के लिए लिखती हूँ। तो ऑटोमेटिक राइटिंग एक्चुअली उसका नाम ऑटोमेटिक राइटिंग हुआ क्योंकि व्हेन इट वाज डिस्कवर्ड अबाउट 100 years ago, तो तभी इट वाज लाइक इट्स लाइक अ प्रोसेस ऑफ चैनलिंग। तो अभी ये समझे कि आई एम सिटिंग आउट हियर और आपको आपके से कोई रिलेटिव के साथ बात करना है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल से यू वांट टू टॉक टू अ डिसीज्ड पेरेंट,
हाँ
तो आई विल कॉल अपॉन दैट डिसीज्ड पेरेंट सोल,
हाँ
और वो डिसीज्ड सोल विल टॉक टू मी एंड गिव मैसेजेस टू मी। तो 100 years back, तो people would write it because तभी we didn't have, today I record the sessions, but तभी तो people would sit with a pen and paper and then just write all the messages, क्योंकि क्या होता है कि the messages keep pouring, so you have to write fast on what they're saying. समटाइम्स वो राइटिंग भी होती है, समटाइम्स आई विल स्पीक इन दैट सेम पर्सन्स वॉइस, कभी कभी आई विल यूज द वर्ड्स दैट पर्सन स्पीक्स और द मैनरिज्म दैट पर्सन स्पीक्स, बट एसेंशियली आई एम अ चैनल, आई एम अ मीडियम फॉर द मैसेजेस जो वो सोल देना चाहते हैं आपको, और आप क्वेश्चंस पूछ सकते हैं एंड द सोल विल आंसर।
ओके
दैट इज व्हाई इट वाज कॉल्ड ऑटोमेटिक राइटिंग, बिकॉज जो राइटिंग है, यू आर नॉट राइटिंग इट, यू आर राइटिंग इट थ्रू somebody else is writing it through you. आजकल व्हाट आई डू इज, क्योंकि कभी कभी सोल स्टॉक सो फास्ट वो राइटिंग समझ नहीं आता है, आई रिकॉर्ड द सेशंस,
हाउ डू डू दैट लाइक
आई ऑडियो रिकॉर्ड इट।
ओके सो
तो
यू
I'll
स्पीक
I'll speak I'll speak everything, and then जो recording है I give it to my client so that they refer to it, क्योंकि क्या होता है after the session I don't remember what happened.
हाँ
I will probably remember
थोड़ा थोड़ा
थोड़ा थोड़ा, और 2 दिन के बाद तो आई कम्प्लीटली फॉरगेट। तो फिर
Okay.
वो बाद में किसी क्लाइंट ने पूछा कि अच्छा मेरी मम्मी ने क्या कहा था, तो आई
हाँ
डोंट रिमेम्बर व्हाट द मदर सेड, इसीलिए आई I just do that. That's how the name automatic writing
Okay.
came about.
Is there any code like for the writing? Like हमारा journalism में कुछ होता है कि हम फट 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 कुछ code word में लिख देते हैं. तो is there anything code word you have for that?
No, not really.
It's a normal
It's
like
just a
we talk.
normal, yeah, it's a normal. It's a very, actually, बहुत लोग डरते हैं. They feel कि with automatic writing or with spirit guide communication, वो सोचते हैं कि अरे but अगर भूत है क्या, अगर वो आप that soul does not leave, इधर ही बैठेगा क्या. It's nothing like that. It's a very simple process. Automatic writing is ऐसे जैसे हम लोग बात कर रहे हैं.
हाँ
It is like that.
Okay. हम उसको
It,
लिख लेंगे बस.
मैं अभी आजकल मैं लिखती भी नहीं हूँ, आई
Record
स्पीक,
कर
हाँ रिकॉर्ड करती हूँ, बट इट इज एज सिंपल एज दिस, जैसे कि यू एंड मी आर हैविंग अ कन्वर्सेशन, ऑटोमेटिक राइटिंग इज लाइक दैट. यू कैन स्पीक टू द सोल, यू कैन लाफ विद देम, यू कैन जोक विद देम, यू कैन आस्क देम क्वेश्चंस, दे विल टेल यू थिंग्स. इमोशनल एक्सपीरियंस बहुत है, बिकॉज द पर्सन ऑन अर्थ वांट्स क्लोजर, जो उनको नहीं मिला है, स्पेशली इफ दे वर नॉट देयर व्हेन द पर्सन पास्ड अवे. सो इट्स अ वेरी इमोशनल एक्सपीरियंस, बट इट्स बहुत कतासिस होते हैं, बहुत रिलीज होती है, यू एक्चुअली फाइंड लॉट ऑफ क्लैरिटी, यू फाइंड लॉट ऑफ क्लोजर, यू फाइंड लॉट ऑफ पीस आफ्टर द ऑटो राइटिंग सेशन, क्योंकि जो क्वेश्चंस आप पूछ नहीं सकते थे या नहीं हुआ पूछने को, यू एक्चुअली हैव दोस कॉन्वर्सेशंस. सो इट्स अ ब्यूटिफुल प्रोसेस एक्चुअली दैट पीपल
Okay.
डू.
So let's talk about plants. जो बहुत रो रहे हैं आजकल.
प्लांचर,
प्लांट्स प्लांट्स जो
प्लांट्स, ओ
पेड़
प्लांट्स,
काटे
हाँ
जा
हाँ
रहे हैं,
हाँ.
यू नो रिकंस्ट्रक्शंस हो रहे हैं, मेट्रोज, अंडरग्राउंड टनल्स एंड एवरीथिंग, बट सेक्रीफाइस कौन कर रहा है? प्लांट्स.
प्लांट्स, यस.
And you are exporting that, so please tell us what is happening, what is the future of these plants?
सी इट्स वेरी सैड, ओके, कि जो हो रहा है प्लांट्स के साथ हो रहा है, एंड आई एम होपिंग दैट व्हेन द गवर्नमेंट सेज कि दे आर रीप्लांटिंग दोस ट्रीज, दे रीप्लांट इट, बट इट इज नॉट सो इजी, बिकॉज अभी एक सोचो कि if you have stayed in a house for say 50 years and suddenly मैं आपको बोलूँ चलो अभी अंधेरी से आप जाइए दीवे अगर और सम श्रीवर्धन में जाके रहिए, यू आर नॉट गोइंग टू लाइक इट.
Yeah.
इट्स द सेम विथ प्लांट्स, लेकिन अनफॉर्चुनेटली हमारे कंट्री में जो है ना, सेंसिटिविटी टू प्लांट्स नहीं है. Internationally, even when they do plant cutting, like the cutting of the trees, there is a certain process they do it. They don't कि ऐसे नहीं जाके वो सॉ लेके zung 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 करके ऐसे arbitrary they cut off the trees, ऐसे नहीं होते हैं. They do it in a systematic process and a way. But unfortunately, this country does not do it, and there is no. I mean, you really, it's a bigger level. It's a bureaucracy. It's a systemic level, and अभी एक तरह से people want development also, infrastructure also, एक तरफ से they want the plants also.
Nature also.
It's a very difficult balance to maintain, but I would just say that even if you are planning to cut plants or move them, at least do it in a process that is not hurtful to them. अभी देखिए कि दिवाली में या क्रिसमस में everyone puts these lights on the plants, लेकिन
Yeah.
plants को और trees को कितना वो hurt होता
हर्ट
है.
होता है, हीट
वो
मिलता है उससे पत्तियों पे.
heat and that it hurts them, it's painful to them. अभी किस किस को जाके, how many people can you explain this to?
So, do you think COVID was the like best phase where nature taught you?
Completely.
Huh?
Completely. COVID was that phase that said, you guys need to learn a lesson. And we learned a lesson.
We learn.
And
But
then we
भूल
went
भी
back
गए.
to being worse.
Yeah, वही भूल गए. हम इंसान हैं.
हम इंसान हैं. We are better. We know everything. We are the intelligent species on earth.
Yeah.
But COVID was actually one of the things.
Huh.
So also astrologically they say that when Pluto is around and Pluto is ruling at that time, तभी worldwide major events happen. So when Pluto was there, the world wars happened.
Huh.
फिर अभी COVID was. So all these major global events happen when Pluto was there. There will be another event like COVID. Maybe not COVID, but there will be another event that's coming soon.
Yeah. 26.
Not 26, maybe a little later. Anyway, spiritual world में कहते हैं ना that there is a whole purge that is happening. कि we are all moving dimensions, and those who are stuck in the earlier third dimension and are stuck with materialistic, जो मतलब low vibrational के लोग हैं, are not really going to make it to the next dimension. So there is this whole cleaning up. अब देख लीजिए ना all the wars that have been happening, natural calamities, loss of lives. मतलब people are not dying, they're dying in hordes, they're dying in like millions.
Yes, and shockingly like कि जिसकी उम्मीद नहीं थी, अरे ये भी हो गया.
So it's just another way of cleansing. We've abused Mother Nature, we've abused the planet too much.
हम तुलसी जी की पूजा करते हैं. हमें पता है कि तुलसी जी जो भी हम रामायण से जुड़ा हुआ है, और ऐसे कितने प्लांट्स हैं. वैसे तो मुझे लगता है कि सबकी ही पूजा करनी चाहिए बिकॉज वो हमें जिंदा रखे हुए.
So I have another point of view honestly
Yeah.
on that. My point of view is not about puja and processes or rituals. I'm not very ritualistic. Okay? My family was never ritualistic. I'm not very ritualistic either. I feel कि कभी-कभी it is hypocrisy कि आदमी मंदिर जाता है. मैं सिद्धिविनायक के सामने रहती हूँ.
Okay.
I see वो भीड़ रहती है every Tuesday.
हाँ.
फिर वही आदमी बाहर आके बेगर को मारता है,
हाँ.
या किसी को चीट करता है या किसी को हर्ट करता है, तो फायदा क्या है? I feel that you should basically just try and do your duty, be a good human being, try and be honest, not put somebody else in pain. वो फिर मतलब नहीं है ना that on one hand you're doing all this, फिर you're coming back and you're trying to take over somebody's property या you're trying to hurt, किसी का cheat कर रहे हो आप पैसे से, then मतलब नहीं है. So I think karma actually comes from doing good and not from, I don't know whether all these rituals and all, I have a very different point of view.
No, that's fine. It's like
this.
I also believe in karma. Like मेरा कोई कुछ भी कर ले, मैंने आपको बताया भी कुछ चीज, लेकिन मैं किसी को ट्रैप करने के लिए I don't believe in that. So it's okay. जो हुआ सो हुआ, but we should not say that कि मेरे साथ गलत हुआ तो मैं भी दूसरे के साथ
No,
गलत
absolutely not.
I have totally like trust on Bhagwan and he'll take care of it.
And that is why you're vibrationally higher, and that is why the children and the animals are coming to you.
Thank you. Thank you. So people talk about बरगद का पेड़, पीपल का पेड़, और एक और कोई पेड़ होता है जिसको बोलते हैं ब्रह्मा विष्णु महेश. इनको एक साथ लगाओ, बहुत बढ़िया होता है. ये सब चीजों में आप मानती है क्योंकि आप
Not really. लोग ये भी कहते हैं उपवास करो, ये करो, ये क्रिस्टल पहनो, ये रिंग पहनो. It all really depends. It's on your faith. If it works for you, great. If it does not work, it's okay.
Maybe give some positivity. लोग जाते होंगे तो थोड़े टाइम के लिए,
mental peace के लिए
mental peace
एक
के लिए.
प्लेसिबो भी हो सकती है. So I really don't. I really don't. I mean, I recently went to Trimbakeshwar क्योंकि मेरा friend had to do a पूजा, तो मैं उनके साथ चली गई थी. लेकिन मंदिर में इतनी भीड़ थी, मैंने बाहर से पूजा किया, मैं अंदर नहीं गई. बट वहाँ पे देखा कि ये पूजा कर रहे लोग, और इतना मतलब वो कुंड में जाके नहा रहे हैं और सब कर रहे हैं. तो मैं ऐसे बैठ रही थी, एंड माय फ्रेंड जिसने पूजा किया, तो शी फील्स अ सर्टेन अमाउंट ऑफ पीस, certain amount of calmness. She feels things are opening up for her, and I'm happy for her. कि अच्छा है. I have also done 1 or 2 पूजास पितृपक्ष के टाइम पे, and I feel okay, ठीक है, कुछ शांति आ गई है.
वो आस्था रहती है अंदर से.
Exactly. तो I don't बिलीव कि देखिए किस इट्स डिपेंड्स ऑन एवरीवन्स फेथ. अगर आप मानते हो तो प्लीज गो अहेड एंड डू इट. अगर आप नहीं मानते हो तो डोंट डू इट. फिर मतलब नहीं है ना.
अंधविश्वास नहीं होना
हाँ,
चाहिए,
अंधविश्वास नहीं
विश्वास करो,
होना.
अंधविश्वास ना
क्योंकि लोग क्या कहते हैं, अंधविश्वास का बहुत फायदा उठाते हो.
हाँ,
बहुत से लोग एंड बहुत से आई हैव सीन पीपल इन दिस हीलर्स, sadhus, everyone, a lot of people try to exploit also, and that is not right.
एनीवेज हमने बहुत अच्छी अच्छी बातें करी. लास्टली कोई टिप्स है आपके पास 26 के लिए?
26
और
के लिए.
इफ आई एम मिसिंग एनीथिंग प्लीज.
um, very tough question you're asking me. Anyway, tips मतलब I would just say कि there's something I follow. It's very difficult. I've also had difficulty following it. लेकिन मेरा एक rule है which is TAS, TAS, which is trust, accept and surrender. क्योंकि यूनिवर्स जो है ना, the universe has a plan for us. अभी we may not know it. We feel कि अरे ये नहीं हो रहा है, मुझे ये नहीं मिल रहा है. And trust me, maybe I'm exactly like you. I also go through the same thing.
हाँ.
I also get angry and upset and frustrated. But I've also realized कि जब वक्त है, जब टाइम इज राइट ना, जो आपको चाहिए, जो चीज होनी है वो तभी होगा. और अगर कुछ चीज ऐसी है जो नहीं हो रही है, उसमें भी एक रीजन है, क्योंकि दैट वाज नॉट मेंट फॉर यू, और मे बी गेटिंग दैट वुड बी नेगेटिव फॉर यू और हार्मफुल फॉर यू. So please understand कि whether it is 2026, 27, 28, there is a universe and there's a divine force that is bigger than us and it knows what is best for us. We just have to trust that. अगर वो we stop fighting that ना, कि अरे इसके पास बड़ा गाड़ी है, मुझे चाहिए, मुझे
हाँ.
ये चाहिए, वो चाहिए, that is what causes the anger and frustration.
Okay.
मैं ये नहीं कह रही हूँ कि it's easy to follow, but at least with certain important things in your life, just try and follow tasks and you'll see automatically na, those things will come to you. They will come to you when the time is right. That's my just simple belief.
So TAS is mantra.
TAS is the mantra. Yes.
Yeah. Well, thank you, Sharmila ji. Thank you so much.
Thank
and all
you.
the very best.
Thank you so much and good luck for all your future shows.
Thank you. Thank you. I need wishes.
Of course. You will get.
Thank you.